Bus Productions presents the Brickville train robbery. Rob, you said it wrong. What? The company is called a bus studio, not a bus productions. What? Since when? It was always called a bus studios. Why doesn't anyone just tell me these things? We made it. When does our train arrive? According to this timetable, about 5 minutes. Okay. I am once again on this fast, sleek, modern, smooth, comfortable, quiet, refined passenger train. I didn't know you had so much words just to describe one train. It's a good train. Not all Lego towns have this magnificent train. True, some towns still use trains from the 1960s. Train now arriving at Outer Brickville Station. So how's your car holding up? Quite well. Is it just me, or did I see someone climbing onto the roof of the train? I didn't see anything. Well, I saw something. There could be trouble. Relax. Relax? This train could be hijacked. We could be held hostage. Well, if you're that concerned, go tell Captain Bob. He's in the car ahead of us. So I held him at gunpoint, and he tried to do some weird kung fu move on me. But I got my taser, tasered him to the ground, and arrested him. Bob. You scared me. I'm putting you in jail for 20 million years. There is no time for arresting me for no reason, Bob. I saw people climbing onto the roof of this train. This train could get hijacked. Okay, I'll check it out. You, stop right there. Nice gun. Thank you. Give me the train. Now! Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Rob, it's pronounced subscribe, not subscribe.